Welcome to Cooking with Sam
and Cam.
Today we are making shepherd's pie, and Cam, you know what that means?
Yep, we can show our true forms.
This is our true form.
Yes, it is.
We're leprechauns. Okay, now our ingredients are onions, butter, flour, carrots, ground beef, chicken broth. Then there's
corn.
Thank you, Cam. Peas, ketchup, salt and pepper, and Worcestershire sauce.
Yes. Over here we have more egg for later. We have a Parmesan cheese. We have cheddar cheese, cream cheese, milk, and pre-made mashed potatoes.
Now, Cam, let's do the potatoes. Okay, good. So let's do the cheeses. Okay, here, I'll hand it to you, and you put it in, okay?
Okay.
The cheddar cheese.
Well, that worked out well. Cheese.
Cheese, I like cheese. Cheesy mashed potatoes.
Wash your hands before.
Yeah, you don't want it to get it dirty. Okay, now here.
Cream cheese.
Now, you remember.
If it isn't enough, put more in.
Well, at least I'm working with it since I didn't wipe it on my pants.
These suspenders are too big.
Now that Cam is done and he's finishing it up, I'm gonna start making the meat filling. Now you do it to medium, and also preheat your oven to bake 375. We add our butter in first. You wanna see a leprechaun trick?
Yes.
That didn't take that long. See, look at that.
It's done.
Yeah, I told you.
Good trick.
Yeah, I know. Next, we will add the onions.
I've been a leprechaun for 300 years.
Okay, and you do it till the onions are clear. Not as in clear, like you can't see them clear, like, where did the onions go? I thought I added the onions. Just like clear.
Oh yeah, Sam has to tell you about something weird about him.
Yeah, Cam is wearing a girl shirt.
Not that. The weird thing was that you like the smell of onions.
Oh yeah, I love the smell of onions. Now that the onions are done, and so are the carrots, we're gonna add our ground beef. Okay, that was faster than I thought.
All right, now it's done.
All right, now it's time for the corn. I meant not the flour. My brain is about the same size as a pea. Frozen pea.
That's more like it.
Flour time! So once you get the flour mixed in, which won't take long, you add the Worcestershire sauce, the pepper and salt, the chicken broth, and the ketchup. It looks delicioso, which means in Spanish, delicious. Now, this recipe is supposed to serve 2 pots, but we're making 1, so we'll have leftovers. I love leftovers. Now that it's done, we will take this one out, and we'll put it in. Don't put it in too fast though. Put half of the mixture into the pot. Okay, Cam. We missed the big chunk, but that's okay. We can get it in our next pan. Alright, now we add the mashed potatoes. Now you don't have to use all the mashed potatoes, you're probably gonna have some leftovers. Okay, so you wanna make the mashed potatoes as thick as the mixture below.
The layer of meat.
Yeah, mixture, meat, whatever. Now you can do whatever decorations you want. You can do a smiley face. But I'm gonna do like it's actual pie. Now we're gonna crack our egg. We're gonna put it in here, and then we're gonna use something to Now we're not gonna pour it over it, but we're gonna use something to spread it around, so then it forms a crust on top of it. Now I'm gonna crack the egg and. Okay, Cam, how about we do half and half? You do half of it, I do half of it. We put it in the oven. Please open the oven for me, Cam.
Whoa, it's smoky.
Probably because it's been closed for a while. It's gonna be hot. It's okay. And then we should come. Okay, so the shepherd's pie is done, and now it's time to get that out. Cam, can you please open it for me? Thank you. Once you take it out, you put it on your placemat. You can probably hear the boiling. Okay.
I can see cheese. Looks pretty good.
Yep. Okay.
Okay, it looks good. Let's scoop it out. Put it on this plate.
Take a couple scoops. Make sure not to get it on your white shirt. We need to iron these and clean them. Keep them clean for next year. Okay?
Okay.
Smells good.
Looks good. Have a happy St. Patrick's Day. Go green and be a leprechaun next time.
Bye.
Thank you for watching this episode of Cooking with
Sam
and Cam.
Bye.
Bye.